We're going to write an equation for a parabola. The focus is at 0, -2, and the directrix y equals 2. So the first thing we want to do is we want to sketch the parabola. We're going to graph f 0, -2, and y equals 2. So here we have our point 0, -2, and we have our line at y equals 2. We're going to put a nice little U-shaped curve for a parabola between point F and the directrix as shown. And we're going to label point P xy on the curve, just a generic point xy. Next, we're going to label a point D on y equals 2 such that PD is perpendicular to the line y equals 2. The coordinates of this point must therefore be at x2. Again, we don't know what x is, but we know that it is 2 up from our x-axis here. Then using the distance formula, we're going to find PD and PF, right? So we're going to find this distance here and this distance here. So we're going to put in our unknowns, our x's, and we're going to put in our y points. We don't know the first one, but we know the second one is 2. We're going to simplify that down, and we get that our distance is the square root of the quantity y minus 2 squared. Again, we don't know what y is yet. Then we're going to do the same thing for PF. We know that F is at the point 0, -2, so we put in 0 and -2, and then we simplify. So we get the distance here is the square root of x squared plus the quantity y plus 2 squared. Because every point on the parabola is equidistant from the focus and directrix, you can set PD equal to PF, then solve for y to write an equation for the parabola. So we take our two equations that we just figured out and we set them equal to each other. Squaring both sides gets rid of our radical sign, and we have the quantity y minus 2 squared equals x squared plus the quantity y plus 2 squared. When we expand y minus 2 squared and y plus 2 squared, we get y squared, and then we have minus 2 times y, which is minus 4 times y, and minus 2 times minus 2 is positive 4. Over here, same thing, but everything is positive because of our plus sign here, so a positive 4 and a positive 4. Next, we're going to subtract y squared plus 4 from each side. So y squared plus 4 leaves us just the negative 4 here and just the positive 4 there. So we have negative 4y equals x squared plus 4y. Then we subtract 4y from each side, and negative 4 minus 4 is negative 8. So we have negative 8y equals x squared. Multiply each side by negative 1/8, right? Because we want to get rid of this negative 8 here. So 1/8 goes here. So the equation for our parabola with a focus at 0, -2 and a directrix of y equals 2 is y equals negative 1/8 x plus x squared. Here's another little video to help you out.
Derive the equation of a parabola when given its focus and directrix. Start by graphing the given information. Then sketch a U-shaped curve between the focus and the directrix. Let point P with coordinates x, y represent any point of the parabola. Label the point D on the directrix so that the segment PD is perpendicular to the directrix. Use the distance formula to write an expression for PD. the distance between the directrix and point P. The distance formula to write an expression for PF, the distance between the focus and point P. In the parabola is the same distance from the directrix and the focus. So, set the expression for PG and PF equal to each other. Then simplify the equation. Is the equation